Hey everyone, this is Ars Dent from Ars Dent Repair. Today I got this Subaru with a dent right on the fender right here. Very deep. Let me show you what caused this dent. Is this guy right here. In one of those windy days and put a nice dent on the fender. Alright, so this is going to be our project for today. So let's go ahead and discover what access do we have. So obviously I'm going to be working from the bottom of this fender. I'm going to be able to move this fender liner. There are a couple clips that I can pop out and move the fender liner and create an access for myself. Let's pop the hood open. Alright, so as you can see, once we remove this cover, we're going to have a nice wide opening over there and we're going to be able to work from this angle. Anyhow, stay tuned. So let's go ahead and remove this panel, and now you can see all this access right here. We can use this for this dent repair. It's wide enough. We can slide any tools. As you can see, I can slide my hand in, so this is perfect. So as you can see, the dent is very sharp and very deep. I'm gonna start this repair process with the glue tabs, with the glue pulling. This is special tabs that we use to pull the dents. I'm gonna apply the glue right here on the surface here and then place it directly on the dent. Before you actually do this, you're gonna have a large metal movement. Especially if you're working in the cold weather, you wanna make sure that the panel is nice and hot, or warm at least, so the paint doesn't crack. So I'm gonna go ahead and warm out the panel just a little bit so the paint won't crack. Let's go ahead and place our first tab right here. I'm going to place it right on this body line, the center of this tab, right on the body line. Give a couple seconds for it to cure. Then I'm going to use a sliding hammer to pull this dent out. So let's go ahead and place another tab. Okay, nice. So after our initial glue pull, as you guys can see, we were able to restore this line back in its original place, and this is what it looks like. It's not pretty. We got the metal flowing, so at least this is what we have right now. So now is the perfect time for me to go behind this thing and with the tooling slowly massage this thing back in its place and do some knockdown work over in this area here, that area. So I set up my light this way. I'm going to be doing some knockdown work on this buckle right here, so stay tuned. I am using this R4 tips from Dentcraft Tools. Same thing with the other side. Want to do some cross-checking, do some tap down, knockdown, whatever high spots I missed, and then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this section here and this section here with the glue pulling. Alright, so this is what it looks like after the knockdown work. Worked on this section right here. As you guys can see, it's slowly coming out. I want to glue pull this part right here, and then that part right there. All right, good pull. One more time. Good. Nice. One more pull. There we go. Perfect. Let's take this off. All right. So what we got here? We got a nice high spot. This is very manageable right now. I can go from the backside with the tooling, or I can put another tab right here and pull it. But before that, I want to do some knockdown work right here. I'm going to go ahead and place this tab right here, and that should do. Alright, that was good. Maybe one more. That's enough. Don't want to pull it too hard. Alright, that was a very hard pull. There we go. So this is what it looks like after our glue pull and some tap down, knockdown. It's manageable right now. I can go from the back side and start massaging these things out. That will not be a problem. Alright, so we're all done. This is our final result. This is what it looks like. It looks great. All right.